Hello, welcome to another English video. In this English video, we are going to talk about connectors that we use in English, such as although, and in spite of. So these are both known as connectors in English, and we use them to talk about different situations that contrast. So let's look at an example. We went on holiday. In England, it rained every day. Although it rained every day, we still had a good time. So in this sentence, when we say although it rained every day, we mean even though it was raining, or it was raining every day, but we still had a good time. And that's how we use although. It means it rained every day, but we still had a good time. So how would we use in spite of in the same type of situation? We can say, in spite of the rain, we had a good time. So here we use in spite of to say, even though there was rain, we had a good time. Or in spite of the rain, we can use instead of in spite, there was rain, but we had a good time. So we use although and in spite of when we want to give the ideas about contrast. Because as you can see, raining every day doesn't sound like much fun, but there's a contrast. Although it rained every day, we still had a good time. So let's look at some examples of how we use these connection words. We can also say despite. That's another connecting word. Despite. So you can say, despite the rain, we still went to the beach. It means there was rain, but we went to the beach anyway. And despite is really the same as in spite of, but without the of. Okay, so we talked about although, in spite of, and despite. And we also have even though. So for example, we can say, even though it was raining every day, we still went on a hike. So it means it was raining every day, but we went on a hike anyway. So even though, and though, and although are very similar, and in spite and despite are very similar. These words are connectors that we use to show contrast in a sentence. So I hope this video has helped you to understand how we use although, in spite of, and despite. Good luck with your English.